What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, now y'all already know how I do it. I get straight to it, but before I do, I just want to let you all know that everything in this video, previous videos, and videos to come will be all for educational purposes only. It's not nothing that I'm telling you to do, and I am not a financial advisor. You feel me? Bet. So today I want to talk to you guys about how y'all can be running up a bag off of one credit card. All right, one credit card. Now, of course, you know I teach the mindset of abundance. So if I teach you this with one credit card, make sure you do your due diligence and learn a few things from what I'm saying, and you can apply it to other things as well. All right. Now, I want to talk to you guys about the cash back option on credit cards. Okay. And I'm going to give you guys a brief example on what I'm talking about. So let's say you have a Bank of America credit card, okay? And this especially goes for the people who watch my content, who comment and say, you know, your credit score went up to this, went up to that, right? From wherever you were, whether you're just starting or whatever it is, okay? Now, if you have a $5,000 credit card from Bank of America, okay? Now, let's say that credit card is 3% cash back. Now, it's important to make sure that you understand that different cards have different cash back rewards. Some is when you go to the grocery store. Some is when you go out to eat, right? Some is when you're just buying things online, okay? But either way, you have the cash back option on a lot of cards. You just have to check the card and make sure that it has that option and where it provides that option, okay? Some of them are 2%, some of them 3%, some of them could even be 5%, okay? So in this case, I'm gonna just use the middle, the average, which is 3%. So let's say you got a $5,000 credit card, right? And the cashback percentage is 3% on that card. Now what that means is, that every time you spend the balance, the complete balance on that credit card, you'll get back 3% of your balance, okay? Now, if you have a $5,000 credit card and you get 3%, that means you can get $150 every time you spend the $5,000, okay? So what you all can do is, now, this is YouTube, this is free information, okay? I'm not gonna tell you the step-by-step play here. If you want these type of plays, you must join my OnlyFans, where I'll be diving deeper in not only different strategies to make money, but also different rules, different laws, different rights, different things that you may not know that's gonna really, really be beneficial throughout life for not only you, family, and friends, okay? Now, you got a $5,000 card, you got 3% cash back, okay? If you spend that whole balance, it's $150. All right. Now, what you can do is you can find somewhere you can literally easily spend $5,000 on that one credit card. Okay. Spend the whole $5,000. Then what you want to do is you want to, later on that day, the next day, whatever it is, you want to get a refund for that item or those items. Okay. Now, if you know you want to spend a lot of money, you probably want to get something that costs the most in the store, right? So you get a refund for the item that maxed out your credit card, okay? They're going to ask you how you want your payment back. What you want to do is you want to get it sent back, not to your credit card in which you spent the money. You want to get it sent back to a debit card, all right? And if you send this back to your debit card, guess what? On your credit card, it shows that money is spent, okay? Once you put it on your debit card, you replace the money that you spent from your credit card with your debit card, all right? So you just literally replace the money. You buy the item, you get the refund. You say, hey, put the refund on my debit card. Once you get the money on your debit card, you then put the money back on your credit card. Okay, that will literally give you $150 every time you do it. Now, you take that into the equation that is 30 days in a month on average. guess what? You have about $4,500 free and clear from one credit card that you literally just generated. Not to mention that looks very good when you guys go back every 3 to 6 months to get your credit increase. It looks very, very good on your credit profile. All right. So, like I said, if you guys want to join my OnlyFans, if you need to contact me for any personal, business, Age Corp, Airbnb, any type of sauce, man, I got the whole price list for y'all. If you guys just need quick questions on something that you already got going on and you just need a little bit of help, you also can contact me. It doesn't matter. All right. I appreciate everybody who hit me up. I appreciate everybody who I'm working with, and also the people who just want to stop by and say, look, man, I appreciate it. If you guys like this content, if you guys want me to drop more bangers on not just personal credit, not just business credit, but different cash plays that you guys can actually do to generate income to put you guys in a better situation financially, then drop 5K down below in the comments, man. You guys know I love when y'all interact with me because it helps me do a better job with interacting with you all. And let's just keep putting out information, accepting information, sharing information, and keep putting pressure on people who's trying to keep information from y'all, man. It's Credit Guy Frank here. Y'all already know how we do it. I give a lot away, okay? But it has nothing compared to what is in my paid sauce. All right. So like I said, it's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video, man. Run the bag up. Y'all know what time it is.